What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Asante Kotoko 1, ES Setif 2. I don't know how to say it, but I think we had opportunities to win this game, but we couldn't take them. We played well, but our performance was not good enough to beat ES Setif. You know, they defended well and they were hitting us with the counter attack. When they hit us with the counter attack, our defense can't cope. Amore Ibrahim is always up front, so for him to track back with the pace of ES Setif when they're on the counter attack, it's difficult for them. The first goal came from the cross from Amore's wing because he couldn't track back very fast, and the second goal was a person left unmarked at the other end of the post and he scored a tap-in. I think this performance is I don't know how to say it, because we played well but it wasn't good enough. We had chances to score. Even, let's say we wanted to secure a point, we played well and got a penalty. Naby Keita got the penalty and he also missed it. I won't blame him because he's our best penalty taker, and in a stage like this, it's normal for tension to get into the player and make the player to make mistakes. So I think it's going to be difficult to beat ES Setif in Algeria. Extremely difficult. Do I think we will win? Anything is possible, but I'm telling you it's going to be extremely difficult because we played very, very well in the second half. In the first half, we didn't play that much better, but in the second half, we played very well. First half, no. Second half, we played very well. It's just that they just got 2 opportunities and scored 2 goals. That is why I feel that in games like this, we should maintain concentration. We should maintain our style and be compact when we want to defend and be compact when we want to attack. This is Emmanuel Sarkodie's, his first CAF Confederation game, and he played fairly well. In the first half, he misplaced a lot of passes. Second half, he was better, but I think there are more rooms for improvement. So I'm hoping we learn from this, because I'm sure the players will be down with morale, but I think anything is possible. Can we win in Algeria? I don't know, but anything is possible. It's going to be extremely difficult. My final thought is that we played very well, but it wasn't good enough. ES Setif came with a plan, defend and hit us with a counter, and that worked for them. So if we are going to Algeria, we should have our own plan and make sure we stick to it. You see the way they played, they stick to their plan and brought in a plan B. After the big guy, Traore guy, couldn't score goal, they brought out a plan B and they shifted everything and used the wings to run and cross the ball, and it worked for them. So I think we should just pick ourselves up and prepare for our next game. But I think we played well, but it wasn't good enough. Alright, subscribe if you haven't and click notification bell. Thank you.